Sometimes problems occur with the store or equipment. If a customer brings a problem to your attention, be positive. Thank the customer for notifying you of the problem. Sometimes washers, dryers, or coin changers don't work properly, which can upset a customer. It is important to remember that right or wrong, the customer is still the customer. They are our business, not part of it. Some key points to remember. Always listen with both ears. We have one mouth and two ears for a good reason. We should listen twice as much as we talk. Give customers the opportunity to vent their frustrations. Don't jump to conclusions. Never challenge customers, even if you suspect that they are wrong. By listening to their concerns, you are reducing their frustrations. Speak softly. You will be surprised at how quickly they too will start to lower their voices. Apologize, even if the problem is not your fault. For example, you can say, "I'm sorry that the washer ruined your clothes." Then ask, "How can we resolve this problem?" If you need assistance helping the customer, contact your supervisor. Make notes of the complaint and the resolution. Talk to your manager about your laundry's complaint policy. Let's watch how our attendant handles these everyday occurrences. What seems to be the problem?
I put my money in the machine and it's not working.
Well, let's take a look. Looks like the sleeve got caught between the door and the machine. Can I help you with anything else? Can I help you?
My clothes are cold. I wanted a hot wash.
All of our machines are preset to cold water rinse. In checking the temperature, you did set it correctly. You did receive a hot wash for this load.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, great. Is everything okay?
I put the right amount of money in this dryer, but my clothes still aren't dry.
There appears to be something wrong with this dryer. Let's put your clothes in another dryer and I'll pay for your laundry to be re-dried.
The machine ruined my clothes and I expect you to pay for them.
I'm sorry about your clothes. I think this red sock was the problem. I'd be happy to pay for a second wash and dry of this load. I don't know if it'll work, but we can try.
Okay, sounds good. I appreciate it.